Conestoga College hosted a 5-day health and wellness week starting October 7. Mental Health Townhall event was organized on Tuesday that aimed at creating awareness about consultations, steps to improve well-being on campus, and ask questions.
Conestoga College is developing a student mental health strategy. And what that means is bringing together a group of students and employees and CSI, our student government, to work together to address some of the gaps and challenges that students have identified for us related to their mental health and well-being on campus.
The event focused on informing students about the resources campus offers to help them deal with different kinds of pressure and also hear them personally.
This event particularly, they addressed the fact that they had listened to all of our concerns and are planning to work them into a future plan. I found very beneficial because then I myself know that, okay, I'm being heard, and B, it's actually being worked on. It's not just, oh yeah, we heard you, have a nice day.
A UW graduate also attended the session, who suggested,
any psychiatrist will tell you that the transition between high school to university, that is the #1 cause of mental illness. That is where most of the mental illness comes from, is a huge transition in your life. And it's kind of, that transition is, I think, really important to focus on as far as universities goes, as to help high school students make that transition should be really focused on, and it's something that's not really noticed or talked about that much.
The event was a success. Students walked away with door prizes and some takeaway snacks. For Spoke Online, I am Triti Thakur.